How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a thread in Fusion 360. So first things first, you want to make yourself a sketch. So I'm just going to create a sketch right here to this plane, and then we are going to create a circle diameter. Now in my case, I'm going to be using this 10mm circle. And then basically right after, you can just click on the extrude option. In my case, once again, I'm going to do something like 10mm, but of course it can depend on your style. So right after, it's going to be extremely simple. You want to click on this drop down menu for create, click on thread, and then you want to select your object. So in our case, it's going to be this cylindrical object. Now you can customize your thread to whatever you want to. I have mine at 10mm. The designation and the thread type is this specific one. So the only thing that I have to do is to click on model, click on OK, and here we have it. That's how easy it is to do. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.